Hey guys. Hazel and
Penelope.
here again. Hope you enjoyed the last one.
Yeah.
And this time we're doing
20 Questions Warriors Edition.
Warriors. So it's like our last video, except last video was Warrior. Or not Warriors.
Wings
It's
of
Wings of
Fire. Okay. Who wants to go first?
I'll go first this time.
Like
Again.
guessing or
Wait, actually, do you want to go first since you... Oh, I went first last time, so you can
no?
go first.
I went first last time. I picked. This is me. Yes. Okay, never mind.
You're right.
Ignore me. I'm just rambling on. Okay.
Okay. So no obscure characters. Has to be a cat. Can't be a two-leg. I guess it could be a... Wait, no, badgers aren't in the first arc. But it can be a loner.
They mentioned a badger.
It can't... It doesn't have a name. If it was like...
Badger number. Badger.
Badger who killed Cinder Pelt.
Badger extra number 1.
Oh, also we might...
Cinder Pelt didn't die in the first arc.
I know. That was a joke.
Oh. Spoilers ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, don't watch this if you don't want spoilers, except do watch it, please. So, no obscure characters.
Too obscure.
If you don't guess the character by the time you finish 20 questions, you lose. You ask all.
Okay. Keep your character.
That's about all for the instructions. So my character, and I'm thinking of it. Let me see. Alright. I got it. It might be pretty obvious, but you know, whatever.
Is it a boy?
He is a boy.
Is it from ThunderClan?
Yes, he is.
Is he... Do I like him?
I think so.
Okay.
I liked him at least.
Is he shipped with someone?
I mean, I know he has. I mean, no, not like the fandom doesn't like
The fandom doesn't.
ship him with everything.
But
you have to mark down the
I know. I
question mark there.
made it weird.
Okay.
Okay. So, does he have romance in his life?
I think so, but no, it's not like mentioned in the books. But I'm pretty sure he does have like kids and stuff.
Is it White Storm?
No.
Okay.
He's sitting in front of the nursery. That counts as romance to me.
What was that?
I don't know.
That was me. Does he die in the first arc?
Yes.
Okay. Is it Red Tail?
No. Here, I'm gonna look up
I have no idea what I'm doing. Does he die before the 5th one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I can't show you.
By the way, I meant 5th book.
Right.
Okay.
What did you?
There's a lot of vibes. Is he a tortoise shell?
No.
I know it's such a random question, but important. Is he solid colored?
Let me look it up. I accidentally looked up the wrong person. Here he is. He is solid, but he does have markings.
Okay. Is he a bad guy?
No, he's a good guy.
Okay. Is he Lionheart?
He is.
Yay!
I sort of. Yeah, that's nice. All right.
I win.
You lose the same amount each time, except unless that's 30.
I have 12. I use 12 every time.
All right.
Cause okay. Oh, I'm gonna break this thing.
All right.
Also, if you hear that spring thing, that's the cot I'm on.
All right.
Bed thing. Sorry.
You should choose a person.
I
cat.
should. Who should I choose? I got a character.
You do?
No.
Is it a girl?
No.
Okay. It's a boy.
Yes.
That wasn't a question, by the way. Is he in ThunderClan?
Yes.
Is he an apprentice? Like when you first get to the clans?
No.
Is he a medicine cat?
No.
That's a dumb question. There are no boy medicine cats in ThunderClan in the first arc.
In the first arc.
That's hard.
It is.
Ooh, is he even alive in the first book?
Oh, I think he's born in the first book.
He's born in the first book? Okay.
Yeah. So, yes.
Is he Brackenfur?
Yeah. I know. I should have said yes. He's born. I just couldn't remember if that was.
Yeah.
I think so.
All right. I think, is that it?
That's
right.
all.
Maybe
Bye.
we'll do another one. Bye.